Thank you, Target Circle, for giving us this opportunity.
Thanks to the Target Circle brands who helped us provide over 35,000 healthy, nutritious dinners to our most vulnerable community members.
This year, 325 grants come at Ross Folks over here. Because of donations like Target, I'm so excited. Thanks, Target.
Thanks for being a part of the Target Circle community. And here's to another year of saving, earning, and making a difference in the community around us.
People use their phones for all sorts of things. What about you? Are you a teen lifestyle influencer? You live stream a lot of gender reveal parties? Do you prefer action movies on a tiny screen? No? Well, then you don't need to overpay for an endless data plan. Get just the right amount of data with TracFone's $40 unlimited talk and text plan. Now with 8 gigabytes of high-speed data. On America's best networks with nationwide 5G. Get the data you need at the price you want. TracFone Wireless. Now you're in control.
When you shop at Target, you leave with what you value most, like healthy foods and brands that lift our communities. At Target, the things that matter are always within reach. What we value most shouldn't cost more.
Looking for a gift? Target gift cards make it easy to find just the thing for every moment. Choose from lots of fun designs for every wedding, baby, birthday, holiday, or just because. Every kid, teacher, friend, for everyone on your list. It's thoughtful and easy for you too. You can even text it, so they can use it right away. It's giving that's just as fun as getting. With Target gift cards. Join Target Circle to get perks without the annual fee. Score savings and deals in-store and online. Plus, help Target support your community. Enjoy exclusives just for you at no cost to you. Join Target Circle for free today.
High prices don't get you a great network. A great network gets you a great network. That's why Total Wireless has one of the largest, most dependable network with nationwide 5G. And now with our $50 totally unlimited plan for talk, text, and high-speed data that never run out. Total Wireless.
With Target Circle, every Target run is a chance to earn. the Target app to shop and automatically earn 1% rewards on non-red card purchases to redeem on future Target runs. Learn how to earn and save more with Target Circle.
Music! Disney's Encanto is sweeping audiences away. The New York Times rate has stunning animation. By Damon Vegeta.
Come in for workout here. Leave feeling empowered. Come in for snack time. Leave feeling fulfilled. Because when you shop at Target, you leave with what you value most, like healthy foods for your family and brands that lift our communities. At Target, the things that matter are always within reach. What they value most shouldn't cost more.